Hey, what's up, everybody?
Yeah, what's up, yo?
So we finally got a chance to hang out. I know we've been absent for a while, but we got a package from Heath Smith.
Yeah.
You can find him in the Facebook group. I don't know if the name's the same in Facebook. Do you know?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so. But he mailed us something that we found pretty interesting, and I mean we were gonna buy it from him, but he messaged us and said, "Hey, I'm just gonna send it to you guys because I enjoy the videos." So we might get him some. We're gonna get him something in return.
Of course.
So here, man, open it up.
Yeah.
So let's open it up. See what's up. See what he sent us. I think it's some Kmart editions.
I just didn't want to expose my chili over there, you know what I'm saying?
So we got it open now.
Yeah.
And let's see what he sent, man. I think he said something about Kmart exclusives.
Exclusive. Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, dang, he sent the whole thing
The
with
whole
the...
deal, yeah.
Isn't this... let me see. These are...
The protector?
What's the brand on it? Yeah.
I have
Isn't
no
it like a
idea.
specific brand from... Oh, well, anyway, dude, it's good. Here, hold it, man.
Yeah, I never,
So this is our first one, man. This is going on that cork board.
Yeah, I never, used protectors. Nah.
Oh, damn, man. Yeah, we don't really... That's
You're just gonna have
Never
to
mind.
toss a coin.
And get 2 kids out of it, you know?
Yeah, see, who takes it. You know what I'm saying?
So, damn, this thing is so sweet and real.
Yeah.
I've seen pictures of it online and all that, but having it here is pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That thing is sweet.
Yeah, that
man.
thing is nice. Man. What else did
Other
he
than
send
that,
us?
it's just cushion.
Yeah, he sent us some cushion. That's cool, though. I mean, the packaging,
Yeah.
make sure it doesn't get damaged. And then, that's pretty sweet, man.
Yeah, that's pretty.
So, thank you, Heath. Let's see, man.
Sweet.
Yeah, Heath Smith. And,
Yeah,
yeah,
we're probably
I
gonna
mean-
send you the same box, you know.
yeah, probably the same. I mean, they got new boxes at the post office. But it don't
Yeah.
really matter. We'll find something, but hey, we appreciate this, dude. We got somewhere to keep it safe, and I mean, we're always gonna remember this gift you gave us, especially if we keep it in here.
Definitely, man.
So here, pop it in there, man.
Yeah, for the.
And I'm sure the little guy already got his eye on
He's
it.
already over here
You
trying
can-
to get it.
Look at his eyes, dude. See, look at him.
He's occupied.
So we gotta definitely keep this thing safe for a while
Yeah.
till he's a little bit older or something. But there you guys have it.
This is like a super for us.
Yeah, it's the equivalent to a Superman because here in Arizona we only have one Kmart, and it's 4 or 5 hours away, man.
Yeah, we wouldn't have a chance of getting at these unless we
It was-
bought it.
Online for an arm and a leg.
Yeah,
So
maybe a liver. Who knows?
yeah, but other than that, make sure you guys watch that Golovkin fight tonight. Tomorrow
Yeah,
night, Saturday, June 7th, right?
the 8th. Today's the 7th.
Oh yeah, watch that fight on the 8th, man, and we're gonna enjoy it now even more because we got this little casting we didn't have before.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for the case. Excellent job on the packaging. I mean,
Cushion and
boom. We
Yeah.
love those viewers. You guys stay true to your word, even though we didn't ask for this. We never really asked for, freebies. I mean, you guys watch our videos, you know that style. But hey, if you guys want to send something, we're more than appreciative. So I know I gotta send a few things out to you guys. A few of you. So I'm gonna get on that. I'll probably get that done today, earliest tomorrow. So I'm working on it. I got a different job, so I've been just fucking slacking it, and I've been working on that. I've been focusing on that, so I'll get some new videos up soon. And also it's been dry out here in Arizona, so We've had a little bit of look at Walmart's, and that's about it. So thank you guys for staying tuned, and hopefully this video's up soon, man.